If you love the idea of getting restaurant-style searing at home, but don't want to fire up the outdoor grill every time, this could be the kind of kitchen upgrade worth looking at. The real question is whether a compact electric griddle can actually deliver enough heat, space, and consistency to handle a family meal without becoming another appliance that ends up sitting in a cabinet. The Hamilton Beach Professional Cast Iron Electric Griddle and Indoor Grill is designed for exactly that situation. With a 10 by 16-inch cooking surface, it gives you considerably more room than a typical frying pan, while the electric design lets you cook indoors without needing a stovetop burner. You can find a direct link to this product right in the description. The biggest difference here is the cooking surface. Instead of lightweight aluminum, Hamilton Beach uses preseasoned cast iron, which gives the griddle a noticeably more substantial feel. Cast iron is excellent at holding on to heat, so once the surface gets hot, it can maintain a steady cooking temperature when you add food. That matters when you're searing burgers, steaks, chicken, or vegetables because the pan is less likely to lose all its heat the moment cold food hits the surface. The cooking area is also genuinely useful for everyday meals. At 10 by 16 inches, there's enough room to prepare several burgers at once, cook a full breakfast, or spread out vegetables and meat without everything touching. The adjustable temperature reaches up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you flexibility for everything from keeping food warm to getting a serious sear. And because it's an electric appliance, there's no need to constantly adjust a gas flame. In actual kitchen use, the heat retention is probably one of the biggest advantages. Cast iron generally takes a little time to heat compared with thinner cookware, so this isn't the appliance you buy if you want instant cooking. But once it's hot, the steady heat can be helpful for foods that need consistent browning. Pancakes, grilled cheese, burgers, steaks, chicken, and vegetables all benefit from having a broad, stable cooking surface. There's also a practical advantage when cooking for several people. Instead of standing over multiple pans on the stovetop, you can move the cooking to the counter and keep your main burners available for other dishes. The surface is relatively straightforward to use, although cast iron does require more care than a disposable-style nonstick griddle. Since it's pre-seasoned, you have a useful starting point, but maintaining the seasoning and avoiding unnecessary soaking will help keep the surface performing well over time. Cleanup is better thought out than you might expect from cast iron. Grease can be directed toward the removable drip tray, which catches excess fat instead of letting it pool around the cooking area. The drip tray is top-rack dishwasher safe, and the cooking surface can be removed from the base for easier cleaning. You'll still want to treat the cast iron carefully, especially if you want to preserve its seasoning, but the removable design makes the process much less annoying. There are a couple of trade-offs. Cast iron makes the unit heavier and slower to heat than many lightweight electric griddles, and it isn't the best choice for someone who wants completely maintenance-free cookware. A large non-stick electric griddle may be easier for delicate foods and quicker cleanup, while an outdoor grill will still give you a more traditional grilling experience. But for indoor searing and family-size cooking, the Hamilton Beach has a compelling advantage. Ultimately, this griddle makes the most sense for people who regularly cook for a family, want more stovetop space, or simply want to bring high-heat grilling-style cooking indoors. It combines a generous cooking surface with strong heat retention and useful cleanup features, without requiring an outdoor setup. If that sounds like the kind of convenience your kitchen is missing, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if you found this review helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more honest kitchen product reviews.